going to read about flamingos.
Flamingo are tall birds with long necks and legs. They live in warm wetlands. Flamingos live in large groups called colonies. They wade together in water. They also fly in groups. Flamingos stretch out their necks and legs to fly. Flamingos eat algae and shellfish. This food gives them their pink color. Flamingos lay one egg at a time. Parents sit on it in a nest made of mud. A chick breaks out of the shell. It is covered in white or gray down feathers. Mom and Dad feed the chick from their bills. Soon the chick joins a creche. Parents find their chick by its call. A young flamingo turns pink after 2 or 3 years. What a bright bird!